Hello, everyone, Disney enthusiasts and future magic makers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an extra special treat for all of you who are planning a visit to the most magical place on Earth, Disneyland. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to unveil 20 essential tips that will help you make the most out of your trip and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're ready to dive into the enchanting world of Disneyland, smash that like button and let's get started. Tip number 1. Plan ahead for your magical adventure. First things first, folks. Before you even set foot in the park, take some time to plan ahead. Check the park's website for important information like operating hours, special events, and any possible ride closures. Plus, consider making advanced reservations for dining and fast passes to skip the lines on some of the most popular attractions. Tip number 2. Choose the right time to visit. Timing is everything, especially at Disneyland. Aim for off-peak seasons to avoid the crowds and long wait times. The best months tend to be during the school year when families are less likely to visit. Tip number 3. Get there early. Rise and shine, early birds. Arriving at the park when it opens gives you a head start on popular attractions and allows you to experience more before the crowds roll in. Tip number 4. Download the Disneyland app. Embrace the digital era, my friends. Download the official Disneyland app to check wait times, make dining reservations, and even access interactive maps to navigate the park effortlessly. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated and snack smart. With all the excitement, it's easy to forget to stay hydrated and keep your energy up. Bring refillable water bottles and pack some nutritious snacks to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Tip number 6. Dress comfortably. Comfort over style always. Wear comfortable shoes and lightweight clothing to ensure you can move around the park with ease. Oh, and don't forget to pack layers. The weather can change quickly. Tip number 7. Utilize Rider Switch. Calling all parents with little ones. Take advantage of the Rider Switch program, which allows one parent to wait with the child while the other rides, then switch without waiting in line again. Tip number 8. Take breaks. Pace yourself, my friends. Disneyland can be overwhelming, so be sure to take short breaks throughout the day to rest, recharge, and soak in the atmosphere. Tip number 9. Catch the entertainment. Disneyland isn't just about rides. The entertainment is top-notch. Catch parades, fireworks, and live shows for an extra sprinkle of enchantment. Tip number 10. Character meet and greets. For the Disney fans, meeting your favorite characters is a must-do. Check the schedule for character appearances and get ready for some magical photo opportunities. Tip number 11. Explore hidden gems. Beyond the major attractions, there are numerous hidden gems throughout the park, from tucked-away restaurants to charming corners. Take some time to explore the lesser-known spots. Tip number 12. Capture memories. Keep those cameras ready. Capture the joy and wonder of your trip with plenty of photos and videos. Create lasting memories to look back on. Tip number 13. Be flexible with plans. Sometimes, plans might change, and that's okay. Embrace the unexpected and go with the flow. It's all part of the adventure. Tip number 14. Know the rider requirements. Safety first, folks. Make sure you're aware of the height and age requirements for different rides to avoid disappointment. Tip number 15. Shop wisely. Souvenirs are tempting, but they can add up quickly. Set a budget for merchandise and consider shopping at the end of the day to avoid carrying items around. Tip number 16. Stay for the nighttime spectaculars. The night is when Disneyland truly comes alive. Stick around for the breathtaking nighttime shows and parades that will leave you in awe. Tip number 17. Embrace the magic. Let your inner child run wild. Disneyland is a place where magic happens around every corner. Suspend disbelief and embrace the enchantment. Tip number 18. Be respectful. Remember, you're sharing the park with fellow Disney lovers. Be kind, patient, and respectful to both the cast members and other visitors. Tip number 19. familiarize yourself with the park layout. A little knowledge goes a long way. Study the park layout before your trip so you can efficiently move between attractions without wasting time. Tip number 20, have a game plan, but stay spontaneous. Last but not least, plan your day with a rough itinerary, but don't be afraid to veer off course if something catches your eye. Some of the best memories are made when we let spontaneity guide you. And there you have it, our ultimate guide for Disneyland, with 20 invaluable tips to ensure you have a truly enchanting experience. From planning ahead to immersing yourself in the magic, we hope these tips help you create memories that will last a lifetime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you real soon at the happiest place on earth. Have a magical day.